Hey family, how are you all doing today? Just want to remind someone out there that whatever you might be going through, tell it to God in prayer because He is our present help in trouble. Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. Today, I'm going to be making this beautiful style from way back. We call it police cap. I don't know if you still remember police cap, okay? It's normally in a cornrow way, but today I'm recreating it in a threading form with my Brazilian wool. See, as you can see, I already applied my clove butter on our scalp and also my DIY hair growth butter. So I started by patting the back round as you've seen me done, and for this threading I use 8 strands of Brazilian wool for braiding, okay, and I'll be using 2 strands for threading. So I already braided about 3 steps down, then I will use 2 strands to thread it as you see me do right now. The length of the wool is long, so that will cover the whole chain I'm about to make at the back. And I will just be braiding the first 2 parted hair. Please note, if your child has a long and thick hair, then you don't need this extension, okay? It's because my child has a thin hair. That's why I'm using this extension. So if your child has either thin or short hair, then definitely you need this extension for this hairstyle. So as you can see, I'm measuring the length of the wool. So I will be braiding this as well. Then I will measure it too to be sure that it will meet the one at the back, okay? This first one, I will join it together with the one at the with the third parted hair. Sorry guys, explanation is not easy though. So I will join the first one to the third parted hair, and I will join the second one to the fourth parted hair. So please continue watching and you will get everything I'm trying to explain. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. And if you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, please kindly give a thumbs up, kindly support me, also leave a comment. Thank you so much. And if you've not joined this family, kindly subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to get all my videos. Thank you so much. I will so much appreciate this. God bless you. This support keep me going. Thank you. I appreciate you all. May God replenish you. I'm grateful. So I will leave the length of this wool in the description so you can check that out. Thank you. So now that we are done with the chain, I'll be tucking this one in. Then I'll cut off the wool I won't be needing. So I'm going to be taking 2. Then I will tie it with this first one. Just watch closely as I'm doing it. Then make sure to secure it with your lighter so that the tip won't lose. Yes, so that's what I'm doing now. I'll just tie this with this first one. So, and that's that about the chain. Now let's move to the corkscrew. So please do continue watching. I don't know how to explain this part, but you will definitely understand everything I've done. So this is what we call corkscrew, and that's what you're seeing me do right now. So I'm rolling the threaded hair upward. Okay, continue rolling upward, and if you're done rolling and you're not satisfied with the length, you can still twist the remaining threading with your hand. You twist and you roll, you twist and you roll until you get to what you want. Then you tie the mouth, and also remember to secure with your lighter. You'll see everything in this video. Stay tuned. So in order to keep the hair together, I took one strand and I just tied them together, but in a very straight form. Okay, you need to arrange it well. Don't just tie it as if you are tying a rope. You tie in a straight way, the same way I'm doing, so that you still form our style. Okay, because they are keys, they can just scatter the hair, and this will prevent them from scattering the hair. And so she wanted me to use this airband which I've already used for her, and it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for staying till the end. God bless you. I'll see you again in our next video. Bye bye. We love you.